Furniture is back at Costco. Cabinets, drawers, desktops, you name it, lamps, all that kind of stuff is hitting the stores again. Furniture, computer desktops. It's all here, folks. Check it out. Whole bunch of stuff all over the place. Dining sets, bedroom sets. They got it all. It's all happening right now at Costco. Nice table here. Look at the size of that thing. That is how many chairs? That's 16 chairs of that table. What a deal. Couches. People laying around here already. It's so good. Check it out at Costco. I know I'm blowing through here real fast, but this is some good stuff. Accent cabinet. These are really neat. It's like a terrace-like thing. It's a Bayside furnishing. It's called a ladder. It looks like a terrace to me, but it's pretty cool. $149.99. Little storage cabinet here. Kids' toys, whatever. It's made out of cloth and wood or plastic. Probably wood. Furniture galore. They are really having it all right now. That is a super cool table. It's $399.99, almost 400 bucks. And it is a 3-piece occasional set. As you can see, it's got little chairs on the picture here, and there it is right there in the real McCoy. And then you got this hideaway bed. This thing is crazy. What a cool looking thing. I think I've shown this to y'all before. You raise it up, and there's the bed inside. Sorry about my hand in the way there. There's the bed inside. What a deal. That is $399.99, and that's what it turns into once you pull it out. So, I mean, this thing is like super small. You can make a bed real quick for somebody, and they're good to go, and you can go to bed because they're going to bed. The recliner here, very nicely done. It's really soft. It's some kind of suede or something. Not sure what it is. But for $359.99, it's a good comfy way to sit. So check it out, Costco, folks. They've got furniture galore at Costco.